Welcome viewers to the Computech Computer Basics channel. This video is about to learn the concept of artificial intelligence, benefits and uses of artificial intelligence in our real life. Before getting started, please subscribe Computech Computer Basics channel and also press the bell icon for receiving notifications of my upcoming videos. So let's get started with the simple definitions of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is also known as machine intelligence, is a branch of computer science that focuses on building and managing technology that can learn to autonomously make decisions and carry out actions on the behalf of human beings. The second definition is artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Some examples of artificial intelligence are voice recognition app Siri, virtual assistant Alexa and other smart assistants, self-driving cars, robo-advisors, conversational bots, email spam filters, Netflix recommendations, drone cameras, online games like PUBG, online ad networks, navigation and travels like Google Maps, Apple Maps, Uber app and booking flight tickets, smart homes and devices, security and surveillance cameras, image editing, remove background and enhance resolution, smartphone apps, Google Duplex and Google Lenses, Dubai's future museum building and Google search engine. Google search engine is the most usable artificial intelligence in everyone's daily life. This is the most common and fastest example of artificial intelligence. Benefits of artificial intelligence in our life. Artificial intelligence has and will continue to enhance automation. Today, artificial intelligence augmented robots can easily perform a variety of automated tasks, both inside and outside of the factory, without the need for constant human intervention. Improving weather forecasting is the another way where artificial intelligence can benefit humans. Artificial intelligence could free humans from putting their lives on the borderline. Artificial intelligence on call all the time. Humans need to eat, sleep and rest. Machines and artificial intelligence do not, so long as it has a supply of electricity. In theory, artificial intelligence can work all the time, for eternity. 24/7 availability. Digital assistant solutions like chatbots are available to take customer inquiries no matter the time of day. Deeper data analysis. Artificial intelligence systems can process and analyze massive amount of data at remarkable speed. Artificial intelligence system can quickly find relevant information, identify trends, make decisions, and offer recommendations based on our historical data. Lower human error rates. Artificial intelligence systems eliminate the risk of human errors, producing a more accurate result. Artificial intelligence is helping humans to become more productive and live better life. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you like my video, please subscribe Computech Computer Basics for watching more videos related to computer system, and also press the bell icon for receiving the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and supporting me. See you in the next video. Till then, enjoy your life.